Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the car, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside, starting with the driver's seat. Driver's side looks good, not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Passenger side looks good. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. The shifter looks good. Everything is fine. No scratches, nothing. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks really good. Everything looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.